Hi, this is Jack at SubZero Heating and Air. I just wanted to make a quick video and show you guys one thing you can do before each summer to help keep your air conditioner's efficiency levels high, and also to protect the life of your air conditioning system. This is actually part of the maintenance that you should do once a year. Besides changing the furnace filter, you should come out here and clean the coil here with the hose. All you gotta do is take your hose and shoot water up inside these louvers, and they go around the whole unit. So you want to get all four sides of your unit, and you just take your hose here, you just go up and down these rows of louvers here. You want to do all four sides. So basically that's all you gotta do. If you haven't done that within the last 5 years, then it's probably pretty dirty and it really needs it. Not only will it make your electric bill lower, but it'll make the unit run quieter and put less stress on your system. Most homeowners don't know how to do this. It's very simple, anyone could do it, and it's part of the annual maintenance. So I recommend anyone that didn't know about it, which is most people, to go ahead and just clean your coil once a year before each summer. And also change your furnace filter, make sure it's clean inside. If you do those two things, then you'll probably be okay.